Hey everybody, this is Cathy Harris, international.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Today's topic is stay away from high maintenance crops. Save yourself a headache and only grow low maintenance crops. As I said, the sweet potatoes are a high maintenance crop because you have to keep it pruned. Tomatoes are also a high maintenance crop because you have to keep them pruned. However, what you need to have is all your gadgets in place, like your rope in your garden, the bird skirt tape, which worked really well, keeping the birds away. So we had no issue with birds. So when you garden, you got to be ready with your trellises and all the other gadgets to make your garden more functional. But you also want to stay away from a lot of high maintenance crops that you have to come out here and prune. And if you don't know how to build these trellises, you've got to go to Amazon.com and the other websites and buy these trellises. Home Depot, Lowe's, and other gardening centers, and buy trellises to put your food up on to make your garden more functional. And also the cucumbers, next year we will make sure we have a trellis to put the cucumbers on, because as you can see, they're just laying around, falling on my other two plants closest to it. And that can be very, very problematic. So next year for sure, we are going to be ready with trellises to put out here to make the garden more manageable. But one of the things you need to do, you need to stay away from high maintenance crops. As a senior, you do not want to get a high maintenance garden. You want foods that you're going to put the seeds in the ground and the food grow, like Swiss chard. Swiss chard is one of those green foods that I bought the seeds, I put the seeds in the ground, and after 40 days, I have a crop. And then the food grows back in 2 weeks. So again, those are low maintenance foods. Peppers are low maintenance foods. You put the pepper in the ground, the food grow. You still have to prune it. You do have to prune a lot of spring and summer crops. But usually in the fall, most of those foods in the fall, you do not have to prune. So again, you want to get out there and start a low maintenance crop, a crop that you don't have to do a lot of work with. And you want to start off small. Don't overwhelm yourself.